Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are with principle number 62 in the series of 101 Ways to Be Happy on a Daily Basis. 62 parts in, and our principle today that we're diving on into is going to be a fun principle. This one is about playing a game, and it says try to play Uno or Monopoly with kids and to play, chess or poker with your friends. So, easier games on the kids, harder games on the adults, I suppose. The thing is, a lot of people underestimate what kids are able to do. I've known some kids who are pretty great at chess and various other games, Of course, introducing them to poker is kind of a lifetime skill. Maybe not as fun as chess, as of course I shoot chess videos. I have yet to shoot poker videos, but I play a decent amount of poker. I like myself some poker, so maybe I'll add those to the repertoire as well. Of course, I like blackjack more, but is what it is. Let's see. So, what would I say about this game? What would I say about games here? First off, Monopoly against kids. Ooh boy, those kids are going to be disappointing because I got myself some Monopoly skills. I've played, hundreds of games of Monopoly. I love me some Monopoly. Monopoly about acquiring properties, getting the right places, the right trades, getting to the right position, winning the game, all these kind of finance things. Absolutely fantastic. Love me some Monopoly. So, put me against kids in Monopoly, and they might not be having as much fun as I am there, so I guess take it easy on them, but it's not always easy to do. Versus Uno, of course, play Uno with kids. Uno is such a good game. You can play it with adults, you can play it with, your friends. I don't know, I like Uno. I don't think it's I don't think it's still got some strategy to it, so I think it's a fun card game to have in your repertoire for when you're waiting at the airport, or you're, stuck in a situation, you're waiting for like your table to open up, whatever it is, you've got Uno there as a fun game. It can even just be a fun thing to play on, a Friday night or something. Anyway, playing chess, of course. I love me some chess. I play a lot of chess just through my apps, because I beat all my friends, and so they don't want to play chess with me anymore. Tear. Let's see. Otherwise, it's we have chess videos on this channel for a reason. It's a biggie. What else can I say about this? I would say, play games. Playing games is fun. Games are fun. I think we can all just agree on that. Games are great. Play some games, have some fun, enjoy yourself, because that's what life is all about. So, thank you guys for watching. That is it for part 62, and I will see you guys next time with part 63. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.